GPD 2023 Win 4 16GB memory RAM 512GB hard disk handheld gaming portable laptop mini PC. Docking station plus stand plus charger. Intelligent docking station turns handheld device into console in seconds. The Win 4 2023 is equipped with an intelligent docking station that not only supports charging but also provides a plethora of interfaces on the back, including a docking station for expansion, allowing for easy charging, internet connectivity, external display, and more, all in one place. Interfaces and function keys. Exclusive Oculink port with direct PCIe connection, 63 gigabits per second effective bandwidth, and support for GPD G1 graphics dock. Full-speed USB 4 port with 40 gigabits per second effective bandwidth, support for GPD G1 graphics dock and PD fast charging. Full-featured USB Type-C port with 10 gigabits per second speed, support for intelligent docking station and PD fast charging. USB Type-A port with 10 gigabits per second speed. A 2-level microSD card reader with 160 megabytes per second read and write speed. Multiple scenario experiences to meet your needs. With the ability to seamlessly play games and work on the go, the Win 4 2023 is a high-performance device that functions as both a console and a productivity tool, all while being portable and readily accessible. It can easily rival mainstream PCs in terms of performance. The world's smallest AMD handheld device supports Windows 10 11 and SteamOS. So far, the Win 4 is the world's smallest handheld device powered by an AMD APU. With the powerful 7840U/7640U processors, it outperforms the Steam Deck's custom APU. The Win 4 inherits the sliding cover design and physical button layout of the Win 3, and supports both Windows 10 11 and SteamOS, with system compatibility provided by Valve. The design features rounded edges on both ends and anti-slip patterns for added grip. The device features rounded edges on both ends, inspired by the PSP, which helps to distribute force more evenly and provides a comfortable grip that conforms to ergonomics. The gripping area is raised and has anti-slip patterns, increasing the friction surface and preventing slippage. 6-inch ICARE screen with native landscape mode and slide cover design. 1080p resolution, 368 ppi, and DC dimming with no flicker. Win 4 2023 features a 6-inch ICARE screen with native landscape mode and a 1920 by 1080 resolution, 16:9 golden ratio, and 368 ppi. It supports 2 refresh rates, 60 Hz and 40 Hz. The screen is protected by the 5th generation Corning Gorilla Glass and has DC dimming with no flicker. It inherits the slide cover design from Win 3, but with a larger screen, narrower bezels, and a wider field of view. AMD Ryzen 7 7000 series APU with RDNA 3 architecture and AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics. The AMD Ryzen 7000 series APU is based on the Zen 4 architecture, built on 4nm process technology, and supports the AVX 512 instruction set for the first time. It also supports AMD SmartShift Max technology, which intelligently identifies different application scenarios and dynamically allocates system power. Additionally, it supports AMD Smart Access memory technology, which boosts gaming performance by 15%. The APU also features the RDNA 3 architecture and AMD Radeon 700M integrated graphics, with a maximum of 12 CUs and 768 stream processors. Floating point performance comparison shows that the RDNA 3 integrated graphics architecture surpasses the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. The brand new RDNA 3 integrated graphics architecture shows a 150% improvement in floating point performance compared to the previous generation RDNA 2. Combined with 4-channel LPDDR5X 7500MT/S memory, the memory bandwidth is also significantly increased. Compared to the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, the improvement is approximately 70%, with pixel and texture fill rates also doubled. GPD 2023 Win 4 16GB memory RAM 512GB hard disk handheld gaming portable laptop mini PC.